In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order and buy on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll feel confident moving from browsing to checkout without any confusion. First, open your TikTok account on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in so your information can be saved for checkout. If you haven't updated the app in a while, it's a good idea to do that beforehand for the smoothest experience and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Once you're in, tap on the Shop section. This is where you can explore featured items, trending deals, and categories. If you already know what you want, use the search bar to type the name of the product or brand you prefer. Take a moment to scan the results so you can recognize the product that matches your needs and budget. When you see a product you like, tap on it to open the product page. Here, look through the photos and read the description to understand what's included. Check any available variations, such as size, color, or capacity, and review the seller's ratings and recent customer feedback to confirm the quality and shipping reliability. This helps avoid surprises later. Next, tap Buy Now. Before you can move forward with your purchase, you'll be prompted to provide your shipping address. Enter your full address, including any apartment or unit details, and make sure your name and delivery phone number are correct. Accurate information helps ensure the package arrives on time and at the right place. Many delays happen because of small typos, so take a moment to double-check everything. After your address is set, choose your payment method. Select the option you prefer from the available choices in your region. If the app offers to securely save your payment method for future orders, only do so if you're on a trusted device. Always verify the total amount, including shipping fees, before continuing. Finally, review your selections one more time: product, variation, quantity, address, and payment, and then tap Place Order. You'll see a confirmation on the screen once your order is successfully placed. From there, you can keep an eye on updates in your orders section, such as when the item ships and its estimated delivery date. It's also helpful to keep your notifications on so you don't miss important updates from the seller. That's it. You've just learned how to order and buy on TikTok Shop from start to finish. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any part while you shop and enjoy your new purchase.